In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
إلهي عظم البلاء وبرح الخفاء.
My God, my afflictions have become enormous. The Master has come out,
وانكشف الغطاء وانقطع الرجاء.
the veil has been lifted, hope has been cut off.
أضاقت الأرض ومنعت السماء.
The earth has become narrow, despite its expanse, and the heaven's mercy has been withheld.
وأنت المستعان وإليك المشتكى.
And you are my resort, and to you I bring my complaint.
وعليك المعول في الشدة والرخاء.
And on you is my reliance in distress and ease.
اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.
O Allah, bless Muhammad and family of Muhammad.
أولي الأمر الذين فرضت علينا طاعتهم.
Whom you have invested with the authority to command and enjoined us to obey.
وعرفتنا بذلك منزلتهم.
Thus enabling us to know their station.
ففرج عنا بحقهم فرجا عاجلا قريبا.
So grant us relief that is early and prompt.
كلمح البصر أو هو أقرب.
Like the twinkling of the eye or even quicker.
يا محمد يا علي يا علي يا محمد.
O Muhammad, O Ali, O Ali, O Muhammad.
اكفياني فإنكما كافيان.
Suffice me, for you are indeed my sufficer.
وانصراني فإنكما ناصران.
And help me, for indeed you are my helpers.
يا مولانا يا صاحب الزمان.
O our Master, Master of the era.
الغوث الغوث الغوث.
Help me, help me, help me.
أدركني أدركني أدركني
Rescue me. Rescue me. Rescue me.
الساعة الساعة الساعة.
This hour. This hour. This hour.
العجب العجب العجب.
Make haste. Make haste. Make haste.
يا أرحم الراحمين.
O most merciful of the merciful.
بحق محمد وآله الطاهرين.
For the sake of Muhammad and his immaculate family.